ẹ bá ń gbá orí tó ẹ ti gbà. Yeah, hi guys, you're welcome back to TV. So guys, we are currently on site. Today we want to install Tokilo's door and Jua door, and we have about 4 flats to install, and we have started this morning. And the current situation of the job is that we are hanging the door, and as well we are putting cement. So this is one of the Turkish door. So this is one of the Turkish door. This is 4 feet Tokilo's door. This is 4 feet for the main entrance of the building, and we have another door. We have Jua 3 feet here. Jua 3 feet is for balcony, kitchen exit, and we have another 4 feet of Jua door. This is Jua 4 feet. We are using this for the main and for the stair entrance. And the back flat here, we have another Tokilo's door here. This is another Tokilo's door, 4 feet for the main entrance of this flat. Then, as we are fixing it, we are putting cement, because the reason is that when we don't put cement, some people or other workers can come to site and affect the surface of the door. So this now we are doing both together. So this is the best idea when you are dealing with doors. So we have another kitchen exit here. So where we are using the Jua 3 feet 9 inches door. So we are going upstairs. We have these are Tokilo's door for the another 2 flats, Tokilo's 4 feet, another Tokilo's 4 feet. Then we have our balcony design as Jua 3 feet 099 brown door design. So this is our project. This is another Tokilo's door, Jua 3 feet. So here we are using this is Tokilo's door, 3 feet upstairs. The front view of the building need to bring out the same front view design. So we have used Tokilo's door downstairs, which is the front building. We have then the upstairs. We have to use 3 feet because this is a room. So what is it? This is a room, and we need to be able to minimize or make use of the available space. This is why we are using 3 feet door for this balcony. So the Tokilo's door front view will be showing the same design at the front view of the main building. So this is Wabili Concept TV. You can contact us on 08064743744 or 08280493914. Oh, thank you guys. The situation now is that the way we do our job is before installing doors, we always recommend plastering of the whole house. But in a situation whereby you don't have capability of doing both at the same time and you want to secure your building, then you do the door, you do the window. So if at all the building have been plastered, we don't use nylon. But now, after rendering it, after putting cement, we have to wrap it with nylon to protect cement from staining it. But like this door, if you are looking at this door looks like a blue surface, but it's a brown door because it is being protected with a blue nylon. There is a nylon on the surface of this door. So this is how to protect. So this one doesn't need any protection. The protection is already there. It's just to fix and cement. Any cement touching this door, this nylon will protect it. So we need to wrap this drawer door and this turkey luxury door after installation. So this is how we do our job. And we always try to do the maintenance of every door we are installing. So guys, this is Wabili Concept TV. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click on that notification bell to get notified when we upload our channel. Thank you. No, come and figure it out. Disturb one. Ó kàn máa yí ẹ̀ tẹ́ bá sílẹ̀ ni. Eléyìí ni. Fígí bá mú dáadáa.
Ayúdala, Pablo.